What's rockin'? No hat, no. What's rockin', gentlemen and lady stockings? I'm Raven Wells, and this is my new tune, Anti-Truck. Every modern country song points to trucks to be God. Can't handle the truth, they're not. There's a machine made by man. Its fluids costed a lot of lives. Those live kits just leave you more despised. Those giant wheels are ugly, and the whole look makes people think your parts are small. You may argue against me, saying that you can't afford one and I cannot. Just drive it into a river and watch it sink and laugh. This song is gonna piss a lot of people off, and I don't give a fuck about you and your truck. So next time your jackass speeds through my street at 3 in the morning, I'm gonna throw rocks through your windshield. You better take warning. And if you wanna fight, I'll take it gladly, mostly because you're brain dead and I can see. Trucks aren't God, they're just a fucking machine. They're an epidemic like I've never seen. Peace and love, y'all.